Hey everyone, welcome back to All Round Review. If you have been following us, you know that our recent video on how to double your Android phone's battery life has helped a lot of users. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll add it in this video description. Now, before we start, if you haven't accessed developer option before, this is how to unlock it. Go to settings, scroll down to about phone. Right now I'm on MIUI, so I'm just going to click on about phone and tap on the MIUI version until the developer message pops up. Once you're done, let's jump right into the settings. First of all, let's tackle the apps running in the background. Look for background process limit. Set it to at most 2 processes, or if you are feeling brave, no background processes. This ensures only the apps you are using stay active, which means less battery drain. But a quick note, this might slow down multitasking a little, so test it out and find out what works for you. Next, animations. Find window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Set each of these to 0.5x or completely off. This not only saves battery life but makes your phone feel faster. It's like giving your phone a speed boost and more stamina. This next setting is for those who hate apps lingering in the background. Enabling don't keep activities ensures apps are shut down as soon as you leave them. It's okay if you are the type to focus on one app at a time. Just remember, this might not be ideal for heavy multitaskers. So if you use more apps at the same time, please keep this. Have you ever noticed your phone drains battery even when it's on Wi-Fi? That's because mobile data stays active in the background. In the developer option, find mobile data always active and switch it off. This is especially useful if you spend most of your time on Wi-Fi. Why keep mobile data running when you don't need it? So you just have to turn it off. The next is to disable absolute volume. Do you use Bluetooth headphone or earbuds? Then you will love this one. Disable absolute volume in developer option. This stops your phone from synchronizing volume and Bluetooth devices, which not only saves battery but gives you final control over your audio levels. So it's a win-win. This one isn't compulsory though, so you can also skip it if you want. And the next is to limit location services. Location services are sneaky battery killers. Go to developer option and turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. These are used for location accuracy, but they drain your battery even when you are not using your GPS. So you just have to turn them off unless absolutely necessary. Lastly, if your phone has an OLED or AMOLED display, dark mode is your best friend. Enable force dark mode in developer option. This forces apps that doesn't support dark mode to use it, saving power by turning off black pixels. It's 2025, who doesn't like dark mode? Maybe you. The bonus point here is that you just have to stop using battery saving apps. Your phone doesn't need a battery doctor. And there you have it guys, powerful tweaks from the hidden developer option to help your Android phone last longer on a single charge. These are easy tips, free and super effective. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And subscribe to All Round Review for more tech tips and tricks. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on our uploads. Let me know in the comment section which tip worked best for you. And if you have any other battery saving hacks, don't forget to drop them below. As always, thanks for watching. This is All Round Reviews, Mr. Roy here once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.